Deepika, if you had a past star, who would you date if Ranveer wouldn't get angry? Roger Federer?
Ranveer was biting into more than just the part in the film, lots of meat being gulped down. Did you discuss how tough the character was for him to play and the fact that you've got possibly the closest thing to a reigning superstar? Like amongst the women, it's not in question, you are the top superstar. To my mind, Ranveer is the closest thing to a male superstar at this time. Do you agree?
Absolutely. I do feel like he has some way to go. But I do feel like his performance in this film has catapulted him into that position in a very big way.
Interesting. So you arrived, he's got some way to go.
I believe that.
What journey is left here?
I think, like I said, I think that's the equation that he and I share. That look, I've also had a heads up. I started a couple of years before him, but I think that's what I think he and I cherish the most, is the fact that we can be brutally honest with each other.
Did you give him some brutally honest feedback on Khilji?
We've not had a moment to sit and just talk about what we think about the film.
That's not possible.
No, it hasn't happened. If you were asking about if we've spoken about the film and our performances, we've not had that moment. We've not had that moment together.
Okay, so if this is Ranveer, if he's watching and you're giving him brutally honest feedback on Khilji, what would you say, Maharani?
I think he delivered, like I said, I think it sums up everything that I said earlier, which is I think he delivered a performance that he literally just sunk his teeth into, and like a lot of people have been saying, he wasn't awkward with the part. He enjoyed, it looked like he enjoyed every minute of it. And like I said, I think the fact that a performance such as this has catapulted him into a very, very fine place.
Can we please see you and Ranveer in a light rom-com soon? There is so much more to explore with your on-screen jodi.
I completely agree. I completely agree, and as an actor, I've been wanting to do a film in that space for a while. Just a slightly, I don't know if rom-com is the right word, but I have been looking at doing, a nice love story, something maybe less exhausting.
You guys deserve that now.
Yeah, something a little less exhausting would be nice.
आप अगर बात करें रणवीर के रोल की, इतना नेगेटिव, इतना गुस्सा, लगातार मीट खा रहे हैं, कितना मुश्किल था आपके हिसाब से उनके लिए खिलजी का रोल?
मुश्किल हुआ होगा, क्योंकि जिस रणवीर को मैं जानती हूँ वो वैसे बिल्कुल है ही नहीं, तो ऑब्वियसली उनको बहुत मुश्किल हुआ होगा. बट एट द सेम टाइम मुझे ये भी दिखा कि उन्होंने बहुत मज़ेदार से किया, उन्होंने बहुत मज़ा लेकर उन्होंने उस रोल को परफॉर्म किया, और बहुत अच्छा लगता है.